Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about bones, which is an active connective tissue that is constantly breaking down, regenerating, and repairing itself. Bones comes in 4 different shapes: long bones, short bones, flat bones, and irregular bones. For our video today, let's take the humerus, which is a long bone, to explain the different sections of the bone structure. The ends of the bones are called epiphysis, the center is called diaphysis. The metaphysics separates the center of the bone from the end of the bones. Bones are composed of 2 types of tissue. The first is compact bone, which is the outer layer. It's dense, hard, and strong, and it's made of osteons. The second type of tissue is in the inner layer, which is called cancellous bone, which is spongy bone. It is lighter, less dense, and more flexible compared to compact bone. The center of the bone can be hollow, it's called medulla, it's filled with yellow marrow. The compact bone is made mainly of trapped osteoblasts, which are the osteocytes. They are actually organized into an osteon, which is the functional unit of compact bone. If we pull out one of these osteons, we will find central canal, which has blood vessels to nourish the bone. Inside the compact bone there is periosteum, which is pain sensitive, and it's surrounded by arteries and veins. The cancellous bone, also called spongy bone, has the bone marrow. The bone marrow is responsible to produce blood cells. This process of producing new blood cells is called hematopoiesis. It also produces lymphocytes, or the white blood cells involved in the immune response. Remodeling. Almost 10% of an adult skeleton is replaced each year. Remodeling process allows the body to fix damaged brittle bones, reshape the skeleton during growth, and regulate calcium levels. Repeated stress, such as when lifting heavy weights during exercise or bone healing, results in the bone thickening at the points of maximum stress. This is why exercise is important for building strong bones in young people, and it is essential to maintain bone strength in older people. Remodeling is done by 2 processes: reabsorption and formation. Reabsorption is when bone tissue is broken. Formation is when a new bone tissue is formed. Bone remodeling cells are osteocytes, osteoblasts, and osteoclasts. Osteoblasts are bone-building cells. These are responsible for making new bone and repairing older bone. They have 1 nucleus and come from the bone marrow. Osteoblast cells work in teams to form new bone. The new bone they produce is called osteoid, which is made of bone collagen and other protein. Osteoblasts control calcium and mineral deposition. They line the surface of the new bone. And old osteoblasts become lining cells. They regulate passage of calcium into and out of the bone, and they respond to hormones by making special proteins that activate the osteoclasts. Osteoclasts. Osteoclasts are bone breakers. These are inactive large cells that have become trapped in the bone that they have created. They come from the bone marrow and are related to white blood cells. They are formed from 2 or more cells that fuse together, so the osteoclasts usually have more than 1 nucleus. They are found on the surface of the bone mineral next to the dissolving bone. Osteocytes. Osteocytes are mature bone cells from trapped osteoblasts. Some of the osteoblasts turn into osteocytes while the new bone is being formed, and the osteocytes gets surrounded by new bone. They are not isolated, they send out long branches which connects to other osteocyte cells. And it senses pressure and cracks in the bone, so it can direct where osteoclasts will dissolve or break the bone. The functions of bone is more than just structural support and the protection of soft organs and tissues. The bone is a protective site for specialized tissues, such as the blood-forming system, the bone marrow. The bone also helps store energy as fat. Bones help in maintaining a healthy pH level in the blood as they release and absorb alkaline salts. Detoxification. Bones can absorb heavy metals and other toxic elements from the blood. Endocrine function. Bones release hormones that act on the kidneys and influence blood sugar regulation and fat deposition. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed our video. For more videos like this, please subscribe, share and like. See you soon.